affected. Locations impacted include Jefferson City, Gold Summit, Fulton, Wardsville, Westphalia, House, Lake Mikey, New Bloomfield, Chevy, Schubert, Moose Creek, Osage City, Wainwright, Bonnets Mill, Frankenstein, Tebbets, Margate, Guthrie, Steedman, and Carrington. This warning includes Clark Hill/Norton Historic Site and Jefferson Landing Historic Site. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds and ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm